Master Airbrush Cool Runner 2. Pro-level airbrushing kit, no overheating, just pure creative bliss. Cooler, longer, better. Meet the Master Airbrush Cool Runner 2, the ultimate airbrushing kit designed for professionals and hobbyists alike. The powerful 1/5 horsepower compressor with dual cooling fans ensures extended run times without breaking a sweat or overheating. Whether you're layering intricate details or covering wide areas, this compressor works quietly and efficiently, making it your dependable studio companion. Say goodbye to mid-project shutdowns and hello to uninterrupted creative flow. From automotive designs to cake decorating, this system brings consistent performance to every masterpiece. 3 airbrushes, infinite possibilities. This kit doesn't just give you one airbrush, it delivers a trio of top-tier tools. The G22 and G25 models offer dual-action precision with gravity feed designs, while the E91 single-action siphon-feed airbrush excels at larger coverage. Whether you need hairline precision or bold strokes up to 1.5 inches wide, this set has you covered. Each airbrush is engineered for superior atomization and spray control, turning your ideas into flawlessly executed creations. With these in your arsenal, every project feels like magic at your fingertips. Colors that pop and tools that last. Bring your visions to life with the included 6 opaque, primary acrylic paints. From sapphire blue to grass green, these vibrant water-based colors make your designs leap off the canvas. The bonus color mixing will ensure endless custom shades, while the cleaning brush set keeps your tools in peak condition. Unlike competitors, this kit doesn't just supply tools, it empowers you with the resources to maintain them. Built for durability and backed by a trusted brand, the Cool Runner 2 is a long-term investment in your craft. Budget-friendly brilliance. Professional-grade results without the professional price tag? Yes, please. The Master Airbrush Cool Runner 2 is designed for maximum value, offering precision, durability, and ease of use at an accessible price. Beginners will love the quick start guide, while experienced users will appreciate the unmatched versatility. Compared to other kits that overpromise and underdeliver, this system sets a new standard. It's tech-tested, user-approved, and worth every penny, because your creative journey deserves the best tools without breaking the bank. Why wait to create? The Master Airbrush Cool Runner 2 isn't just a tool, it's a gateway to artistic freedom. From t-shirts to toys, cars to cakes, this system handles it all with style and reliability. The ergonomic design ensures hours of comfortable use, while the hassle-free setup gets you spraying in no time. Whether you're fine-tuning details or tackling big projects, this kit saves time, boosts efficiency, and guarantees jaw-dropping results. Ready to elevate your artistry? Unbox your creativity and let the Cool Runner 2 do the rest.